Hello, it's Amin. Glad to meet you. Hopefully you are good today. In last video, we spoke about meaning of IR, look significance, and other general meaning what was necessary. Now in that video, I want to explain how you should choose the best camera according IR and other specifications, especially about night and dark places. We have different kind of IRs about, I'm telling about dark fighter, starlight, smart IR, and now I want to explain about all of them for you. First of all, let us start with one example. In that room, here is some lamp, and they can make shiny everything, and they can make visible everything around me because here is many targets. And let us start how it's working. The light and the waves is coming out from lamp is going to the targets and different objects around me, and the reflex of this light is coming to my eyes, and it can make visible everything for us. Exactly we have same for cameras. But imagine again we are installing this lamp outside, and if this lamp inside can cover approximately 25 square meter, for outside this area and this environment for sure will be less than this number, because outside we have not many targets and many objects, and our eyes cannot attract many reflex of lights. It's difference between outside and inside. Let's talk about cameras. When in the datasheet is written about 20 meter IR distance, it means this 20 meter is for inside, because inside we have many objects, and illumination rate can go to the target and reflects to the lens of your camera. But outside maybe we have not many targets. Because what's my suggestion? For outside, don't count on the datasheet's IR distance. Please pay attention and install your camera near the target. Is first item. Let us start talking about smart IR. When the illumination rate is coming out from the LEDs in camera is same as all things. The first item you should pay attention on is that the wave, startup wave is very strong, and slow by slow they will lose their power. Imagine now your target is very near to the lens. It means that the very strong waves is going to the target. For example, my face. I'm looking to the lens, very near to the lens, very close, and the IR is completely coming in my face and completely reflects to the lens. What will happen? The camera will show my face completely white, because it's full of light for camera, and completely is going to reflect to the lens. But in a smart IR, the difference is that item. The camera, according object, with one sensor can understand the target is near or far. If one target will be near, it will start to decrease power of illumination rate, and you can completely watch the face of target or the target what is very near to the camera. It's meaning of smart IR. And now I want to talk about dark fighter or starlight. It's only difference between name. For a starlight, exactly according to the name, really is starlight. The light of stars is very weak and very far from us. But they have a little bit lights for us with very small looks of light. Some special kinds of lens with big shutter, also with special specification, can work colorful during the night only with starlight. It's modern technology, and all the factories are going in that way to find solution with starlight, because all the customers need maybe they need colorful videos in the night, and it's very useful for them. And totally it's technology. Also we should be ready in future, maybe really sooner or later they will delete completely IR for long distances, or maybe they use only IR or illumination rate for distance more than 500 meters. Nobody knows yet, but I'm sure that it will happen maximum after 5 years. They will delete completely IR for short distance of the cameras. And exactly we have same opinion and same meaning for dark fighter. They are working totally without lights and without IR. The difference only is that dark fighter has not illumination rates, and they are working with spatial shutters. With a small light, they can work very well. And the last meaning, what I want to tell about laser IR. What is laser IR? You know, when the wave is coming out from the camera, it's going to expand around the environment. But in laser IR, the laser can be concentrated on the target and it's going directly to the target. It's not going to expand and losing power. Because of it, they are using laser IR in high-level cameras, for example, the speed dumps for the distance more than 400 meters. It's completely useful. It means that it can concentrate on the target and the IR is exactly going to the target and it's not to expand. Because in the first of video, I explained that outside we have not many targets and maybe the eye illumination rate is going out, but here is not target to reflect the illumination rate for us. The solution for line distance nowadays laser IR. Thank you so much that watching our videos. Please follow us in Facebook, Cognitive Security. Also, please invite your friends in our group. Thank you so much.